very dangerous cliff, very dangerous ride up the Mount Batur mountain. But this group of very experienced bikers, as you can see them, the bikes are specially designed bikes, and the riders are very complete experts to ride under the difficult condition with a pillion to take you to the top of Mount Batur from the base camp. It's a very difficult ride, as difficult as the trek. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes through snaking roads. I won't call it a road, this is an apology of road, and to maintain a balance on a bike under these very difficult and trying circumstances is extremely difficult, next to impossible. But then this young group of riders, boys and girls alike, see a girl riding the bike in front of me, so it makes it very simple and easy for people to climb, to get on top of Mount Batur. This is one option of taking the motorbike to reach the top. But then you have to endure a very trying and challenging ride, as you can see it. But then the experienced riders will make life very easy for you, but you hold your breath. It can be sometimes very unnerving, especially when you wind and very across the rocks as the bikes makes their way across the rocks. This is Avijit Nandi Majumdar for ANM News from Mount Batur, Bali, Indonesia.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.